Hello, Chad Crouch with MarineMax, and today we're here at the marina on our 2019 310 SLX. This is a highly optioned boat we just got in. You'll kind of start to see that on the transom. We have the optional sea deck, gray sea deck with the black outline. This boat also is equipped with the hydraulic swim step that deploys out underneath the swim platform. Great option to hang out in a cove or walk out of the water, if you will. The interior color is ivory on this boat. You have one other option that's a darker color. The interior flooring on this particular boat in the cockpit and bow will be the gray Infinity flooring. Over on the starboard side, the wet bar, which will give you the optional grill with the 12-volt refrigerator. The grill is used under an inverter system, which this boat has, that you can use while you're underway. This boat has the optional hardtop, white LED light package, and also has the optional opening sunroof. It also has the Sure Shade option, which will extend electronically over your transom seating area. You've got an abundance of storage underneath all of your seats, as well as a concealed storage facility that's on your port side gunnel. This particular boat has the double wide helm seats for both the passenger and the captain. And this will also, the passenger seat will rotate around so that the passengers are in the entertaining area in the cockpit. The boat also has the vacuum flush head system. So it is pressurized, goes to a holding tank. And it's nicely pointed out. It's got the sea deck, gray sea deck in the on the steps. This particular 310 also has the glass dash with the twin Simrad displays. It also has the new digital switching system, so you can switch everything on and off. You can also download an application on your iPhone or Android that will allow you to control this as well. If you're in a restaurant, turn your lights on, you just can't start the boat. It has the newest, latest, and greatest Fusion stereo system, which you can also download an app for that as well. As we go over to the starboard side of the helm, you'll see the DRS system. DRS is Dynamic Running System, which is an electronic trim tab system that will keep the boat running at the most optimal attitude to certainly keep you in a nice smooth ride. As we go after the throttle and shifters, you're going to see the Axios joystick. Axios will give you joystick control of the boat. Also gives you the option when you get that for a autopilot, as well as a feature called Skyhook, which is an electronic anchor that will hold you at any given coordinates and allow you to put your lines, fenders on at a restaurant, or just kind of sit and wait and enjoy yourself until your slip is open. As we come up over on the starboard side, you're going to have your main distribution panel. So everything you need to control the boat is right there. It does have the shore power option. And as we come up to the bow, you're going to have storage underneath the seats, retractable armrests. You're going to have 3 cup holders, both port and starboard. This one has the spotlight option and also has the rope windlass option with the stainless steel anchor, stainless steel anchor. You're going to have your freshwater washdown. You have one forward in the bow and also one on the transom. And you also have full control of your windlass with a remote control forward, and also can control it from the helm as well. So that's the 310 SLX we have here at the marina. Please look at it on MarineMax.com or call me, Chad Crouch, at 573-434-9558, or you can reach me at chad.crouch at MarineMax.com for an appointment to come see this beautiful Sea Ray bow rider.